Can't dive into Roblox because of error code 429? No need to worry, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox error code 429 on your computer. So let's get started. Solution 1. First, change your DNS server. To do this, type cmd in the search bar here and click on command prompt. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 here and press enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. And then click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Now just select Manual. And then turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to alternate DNS. Here, type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If the error is still popping up, reset the network configuration settings. To do this, first type cmd in the search bar here. Then right-click on command prompt and select Yes. Now type netsh winsock reset, then hit enter. This will reset the winsock catalog. Now type ipconfig /flushdns and hit enter. This will delete the old DNS server cache from your computer. Now type netsh int ip reset and then hit enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 3. If you're still getting the error, check if you're using a VPN. If you are, disconnect from it. To do this, open up Settings, then click on Network and Internet. Then click on VPN. Now just click on disconnect from here and you should be able to play Roblox without this error. So that's how you fix Roblox error code 429 on your computer. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!